So this is the packaging. It comes like this. I had also ordered for a fridge guard. This one was 1,995. So that's the packaging. So when you remove the cover, that's the top cover, you get this. I think this is so cool because I can't wait to pop this. Hey, so yeah, that's it. And voila, that's your fridge. So let's do this. So the top here is the ice zone. I've already opened it actually. So here there were some few things. So the ice tray box thing has this. I think this one is the egg for eggs. I don't know, egg something. Egg container. And then this one is the ice pack one. So on the ice zone there is this thing. I don't know, I'll figure it out. So I guess that's where you're supposed to switch it off. There's winter, there's monsoon, and then there's summer, and then there's off. So that's the first shelf. I haven't actually unlocked it. It has tape on it, so I can't maneuver right now. And this one is the second one. It's actually a nice toughened glass. I like it. I like the quality. Sorry. Then we have the second toughened glass. And then we have this, my favorite of it all. So this one is a vegetable box. So cool, and it's so big. So on the side we have the first shell here. Quite spacious actually. I like it. It's actually toughened glass also. Then we have the second one. And we have a third one. And we have a fifth one. How cool! So on the first toughened glass I found this. Because here very nicely packed. I'm the one who messed it up actually. And then we have the guide, the operation guide, the user guide. So yeah, so cool. I actually like the size. Fits perfectly. And then there's a warranty here. I mean, they're so confident about the compressor that they gave it 10 years. So for the whole fridge, it's just 2 years warranty. So this one has an energy saving star of 1 only.